Hello, Keith Rucker here at VintageMachinery.org. Guys, today I want to take a real quick minute here just to send out an invite to all of you guys, my viewers out there, to join us coming up for a big event that we're going to be hosting here in my hometown of Tifton, Georgia on April 10 through 12, 2026. This is going to be ArnFest South. As you guys, if you watch my channel a lot, you've heard me talk a lot about ArnFest over the years. It's a big event we do in the fall up north, between Chicago and Rockford, Illinois at the Illinois Railway Museum. Last year, we started a spring event, kind of a counter season event, ArnFest South, and we're having it down in the southern part of the U.S. here at the Georgia Museum of Agriculture in Tifton, Georgia. This year, it'll be the second annual ArnFest South event. And again, I would like to expressly invite every one of you guys to come out to this if you're so inclined. We would love to have you here. Again, at the Georgia Museum of Agriculture, April 10th through 12th. That's a Thursday through Saturday. Really and truly, Thursday's just kind of people coming in. There's not a lot going on. Friday and Saturday are the big days of the event. On Friday, we will have some demonstrations going on. Different people are going to be doing demos on different topics that you can come learn about. On Saturday morning, we'll have a big swap meet. If you have stuff you want to sell or you're just looking to buy, you can show up out in the parking lot of the museum and we'll have a big swap meet going on. That's always a lot of fun and usually find a lot of good treasures at that. Again, on Saturday, we'll have more demos. We'll also have some things going on the Historic Village site. It'll be open for you to go and view and tour the museum if you've never been there before. It'll be a great time to come down and do that as well. So again, April 10th through 12th. On Saturday night, we have a banquet. The banquet's optional. You don't have to do that, but I, again, strongly encourage you to do that as well. It's also going to be at the museum. We have a silent auction during the banquet. And really, guys, the whole purpose of ArnFest, besides the fellowship and the fun of everybody getting together, it is a big fundraiser that we do that goes to help support my site, VintageMachinery.org, the website itself, as well as the OWWM, Old Woodworking Machines discussion forums. The proceeds from ArnFest and ArnFest South go directly toward covering the expenses of operating those two websites. And they are quite expensive to operate, particularly with the bandwidth of stuff that we do over on VintageMachinery.org with all the manuals and stuff that we host up there. Lots and lots of bandwidth required, and it does cost money, and this is where most of that money comes from. So you are helping out the VintageMachinery.org website if you come and participate in this event. So if you are interested in coming, please go register for the event. Registration is at arnfest.com. Here's the web address right down here. Just go to that website and you can register for the event. There are different options for registration depending on the days you're going to be here, whether you're going to attend the banquet or whatever. A full-blown, full-pass registration is $100 per person, which covers our expenses to be at the museum. We do have to pay for the facilities that were there. And again, anything that we make above and beyond that goes to support the websites. So please consider coming out. Even if it's a little bit of a road trip, it is worth making a trip to come down to these events. I have always enjoyed, I really enjoy getting to see you guys. I hear from people all the time that they want to come to the museum, they want to see the museum, that so many of my videos have been focused on stuff out at the museum. Great opportunity to come do that. We're going to probably even be doing some, maybe some behind the scenes tours out there. We're working on the agenda and so forth right now on some of that kind of stuff. So please, please, please consider coming on out to the Georgia Museum of Agriculture on 10th through 12th of April, 2026. If you're going to come, please, again, register. We will have on-site registration of the day, but it helps us out tremendously if we have an idea of a head count. Because we do provide lunch and stuff on Saturday and during the event, so we need to know how many people to plan for. And the only way for us to do that is if you register ahead of time. So please register if at all possible. If it is a last minute thing and you want to just come on down, you can do that, but let's try to keep that as limited as possible for those that just aren't sure until the last minute whether they're going to be able to come or not. So again, go to arnfest.com, register. The date's April 10 through 12, 2026. Location, Georgia Museum of Agriculture in Tifton, Georgia. That is right on I-75. We're about 60 miles north of the Florida border. We're about 2.5, 3 hours south of Atlanta. We will have people flying in for this event. You can fly into Atlanta, rent a car, drive down, or you can actually fly into Albany or Valdosta, Georgia. There's regional airports there. They're both about 45 minutes away. And if you want to do that to save a little bit of trouble and time. So again, please register. We're hoping to see you here. I'm really looking forward to the event. Want to get a good crowd out, and I'm counting on you guys to be able to come and do that. So please, please, please consider making that trip. Guys, I'm going to get out of here. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Those thumbs up and comments are always greatly appreciated. Hit that bell icon up there to get notifications when new videos are posted. And as always, a huge thank you to those who support the site financially through Patreon, PayPal, and YouTube memberships, which really goes a long way to helping out as well. And with that, we get out of here. Catch you on the next video. Come to ArnFest South. We'll see you there.